All right, so we have this grabber here as a trigger, and you pull the trigger to be able to activate it. It has magnets on the end as well. You can see we've already been using it, and it's been picking up little tiny metallic debris, but it has the magnets on either side. So that's pretty cool to be able to have the magnets so that you can it'll pick up metallic objects for you. This thing is collapsible, so it'll go through and fold up so that it is very easy to be able to store. And then when you're ready to use it, just open it up, push these little clamps down to be able to hold it in place, and then you're ready to use it. It has a really good length to it here. I'm gonna guess this is 4 feet, maybe 3 feet, maybe 3 feet. But really good action on it, real easy to be able to pull the trigger. We had our daughter using it earlier, and she was able to grab things with it as well. So all in all, really cool. Let's show it in action here. We're gonna pick up this rubber glove that's down here. We're actually doing a beach cleanup today, so this was a perfect opportunity to be able to test it out, throw it in there. But it really does a great job. And it's just nice to be able to pick things up so you don't have to worry about bending over, but also it helps keep it clean. Now this is not just for beach cleanups or picking up trash. You can use this for being able to pull objects off of a shelf. So if you're in the house and you're not tall enough to grab something off the top, you can do this. It has a nice rubbery inside to be able to hold it tight. Just make sure that when you're grabbing those items that you're holding the trigger button firmly to be able to hold it in place, and it's going to work great for you. We love it. We know you will as well.